Hello, class. My name is Jaime Rivera. For today's improvisation assignment, I will be cooking, or should I say baking a cake that you all might be familiar with, which is a carrot cake, but with a few twists. For starters, I plan to make the carrot cake from starch, so I will make the batter from traditional ingredients while adding some new ingredients like pineapple, brown sugar, and almond milk. Also, for the frosting, I will make myself, but instead of using powdered sugar and milk, I will be using cream cheese, milk, honey, and vanilla extract. The objective for this assignment is to change some ingredients to make this carrot cake healthier with a unique taste and, if possible, make it edible. So as you can see here, I first collected my ingredients and some of my twist ingredients as well. So I first started by shredding 2 carrots. I then began to cut pineapples into very small pieces, as which you can see now. I then broke 2 eggs, added 3 cups of flour, added a half cup of grapeseed oil. I then added a half cup of almond milk, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of grounded cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, added the shredded carrots, added 1 cup of crushed walnuts, added a good amount of coconut flakes, added the cut pineapples, added some raisins, mixed the ingredients for a good 10 minutes. After I mix my ingredients into my batter, I then took out my baking mold, and a trick they picked up was to put butter and flour onto the mold walls so the batter doesn't stick. Then I added the batter to the mold and made sure it was even in the mold. Then I put my batter into the oven that should be 360 degrees hot. For the frosting process, we add a bar of cream cheese low fat, add some butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, some honey, and lastly, mix until frosting is very creamy. After taking out carrot cake bread and letting it cool for 10 minutes, we now put cake on a plate to lastly frost. Now we can cut the cake and show the results of baking an improvisation carrot cake. While zooming in on our small piece of carrot cake, we can already see how it looks different to a traditional carrot cake. To make it more fun, I brought a traditional carrot cake you can buy at a store to compare its looks and taste, which resulted in discovering that this was in fact edible and that it may have needed a bit more sugar since it tastes more like cinnamon. But overall, it was fun to make.